Then the next thing, if you want to replace or change the one in the glove box here, is the cabinet one for the AC filter. So you open here, there's a tongue here. If you see my finger, just press a little bit, then take this out as a cover. Then you can see there is another one here. I don't know if you can able to see my finger here. Go a little bit down. So you press again, then you wiggle it a little bit. This one is a little bit harder. There. You go here. Press this side too. Better to use both hands, so you go on here. Then you take the cover out by using the other hand, and when you take this out, you will see, say, airflow, and there is an arrow. It's going up. This is the right way. The orientation. Get the dust away in the dirt. Then you get the new one here, the box. You can check here again. See the airflow, and the arrow is up. So make sure all the time that the airflow is this way, up, not down. So you put it that way too. I think it's because this needs to go like that. Now the filter is set into place. You can be able to put the cover again. So what you need to do is just match it right. So the airflow, the arrow, needs to be, the arrow needs to look down. So look at the airflow. It's like that. So you put it that way. Then you put the cover back.